We can see your screen, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So as soon as you log into Zenox, this is the first screen you're going to get in. Okay. So let's understand what the screen is all about and how it works. Okay. So in the screen, we first go to the dashboard. In dashboard, you have two options. One is the counselor dashboard and another one is the financial dashboard. So first I'm starting with counselor dashboard. So counselor dashboard gives you certain information. Now, every center should have a target. If there's no target, nothing is going to work with us. Okay. So first and foremost thing is you have to set your targets. So what is your target of your center? So in this case, I'm just opening the WhatsApp. I'm just giving the first point. Let's say right meeting. First thing is I want you to give the targets. So whenever we talk about center targets, we need, okay, what is the total collection you intend to do? And then we talk about what is the total admissions. So these are the first thing you have to have a center. As a center, you should have a target collection. You should have a total number of admissions. Once you have these targets, you have to WhatsApp me the targets. Okay? So WhatsApp me your center targets. So once you WhatsApp me your center targets, we will add it into Zenox. Once it is added into the Zenox, then you can see your targets. So I'm just minimizing my WhatsApp, going back to my Zenox. So in Zenox, now you have here. So target in this particular says, I'm taking the example of Jayanagar Center. So we have given a target of 150 admissions is the target, which is you can see here. So it says target 150. And fee collection target is being given as 12 lakhs. So in this case, the Jayanagar Center has to achieve a 12 lakhs target collection in this month. And they should do a target of admissions, 150 admissions they have to do. And just above the target, you have what is that you have reached. So in the case of Jayanagar, we have done 11 admissions till now. I'm talking about this month. Okay. So if you see on the top right here, it says June. So these are targets for the month of June. Please mute your mics. First of all, joining late to the meeting and then not muting your mics is not acceptable. So here you have a target and you have number of admissions you have done. So in the past 2 days, Jayanagar has done a admission of 11 admissions where they have been given a target of 150. So this is what you have my admission window. Next to my admission, you have your fee collection. So you have done a fee collection of 38,000. Now there's a difference of this. So it says my fee collection only from new students. It is not from the old students. From new students, you have done a collection of 38,000 rupees. Then on the first window, you have my leads. So you have received a leads of 21 leads in the past 2 days. So June 1st and June 2nd and today, as of today, you have received 21 leads. Now every button is a clickable button. So click on this my leads. On right hand side, you can see from where all the leads have come. Okay. So let's say in this case, Akshay Kumar, referral. Somebody has referred. Nutan, friends and relatives have referred. Then Sabah Fatima, Just Dial has been referred. So you will have the details of who all have been referred, how did they come to your center. So leads is an important option. The more number of leads you have, the better conversions will be there. Okay. So all leads, what you have, walk-ins, Just Dials, everything have to be captured here. If it is not captured here, nothing is going to work. Okay. Then you have my admissions, you have fee collection. Okay. These are the 3 important options, what you have to know under dashboards, under counselor dashboard. And just below that, you have fee reminder. So these are the students who have not paid fee to you. So there are almost 392 students whose fees is due. Okay. So it's showing only 1 of 10. You want to increase it. Say 25 students at a time, you can see on a screen. You want more number of students, you can increase it. Okay. So ideal slot will be 10. So you can see on the screen and click on to tab. It goes to second 10 students. It goes. So each and everything is available here. So in this case, I'll select any one. Okay. And you can also directly send WhatsApp. You can send SMS from here. So click on SMS, okay. Transaction, select your template, due, overdue. It gives you the information, say send. So SMS has gone to the student. So you have a feature which allows you to even send SMS to multiple students or selected number of students under due reminder. Then on the right hand side, you have your lead source. Now, total I said 21 leads. From where did you get this 21? So here I have from friends and relatives, I have 5. From Google, I have 1. From handbills, I have 1. And so on and so forth. So it tells you the lead source from where all you are receiving your leads. So next to the lead source, you have admission. Admissions are taking, how admissions are taking place. So it shows you that. Then it says the fees, how the students are paying the fees, how who all are paid. So all this information will be here. And the last one is the important one, course-wise enquiries. This 21 enquiries, how did you get? So for graphics and designing, we have office management, AC, PPT, MS Office. So all this will be given. Use this tall bar down. It shows you all the courses. So how you have received your leads. So this is the first dashboard, which gives you the counselor dashboard. Now, next to the counselor dashboard, you have something called as financial dashboard. Once you click on the financial dashboard, again, the date is being set for this month. You can go to last month, you can go to last 30 days, whatever it is. I'm setting it for this month. Okay. So here it says, the first window is your sales window. On 1st of June, the center has done sales worth of 30,430. That is nothing but the total course fees what has been given to the student. On 2nd of June, 52,810 worth of courses have been sold. So the first is the sales report. If you go down, it gives you the receipt report. How much money have you received? See, no doubt you have done a sales of 30,000, but I have received 25,000 rupees. This is inclusive of the old fees what you have collected from the students who have enrolled last month or last before month. Okay. And on 2nd of June, you have done a collection of 34,750. Come down, it says you the receipt. You have received from Bharat QR code, from swipe cards, and from cash. How much money you have received, all that will be displayed here. So sales is 83,000, received is 59,000. There is a difference between financial and counselor dashboard. Counselor dashboard, here it says 38,000. 38,000 what you have collected from the new students. Financial dashboard tells you from the new as well as the old students how much have you collected. So 59,000, 60,000 rupees has been collected in this case in the past 2 days. Okay. And outstanding receivables. So from old students, I have to receive almost 19 lakhs. Now click on view details here. It pops up with all the names from where you have to receive. So it says total 19 lakhs is what you have to receive from old students. Close it to come out of it. And received. How did I receive 59,000 rupees 900? Click on view details. It shows you each and every receipt. How much you have received, from whom you have received, and other invoices, how much you have received. So entire receipts will be visible even here. Sales. Whom did I sell the courses to? So it says Raghuveer, Excel have sold. Then Divya on 2nd of June. So ACPF, AT, Excel. So all the courses along with the course fees and other invoices will be visible here. Okay. And grand total at the bottom, 83,240 rupees is what you have done under your sales. So just say close to come out of it. So this is how you get your details, receivables, received, and sales. On the right hand side, it tells you the conversion. Okay. So till now, you have done a conversion ratio of 30%. Okay. So as long as it is in yellow and green, it is manageable. It should not go to the red. Okay. And on-time fee collection. So 80% you are, in this case, it is very good. Okay, so you're collecting fee on time, but conversion is not up to the mark. So it's only 30%. Try to increase it. Normally, month beginning, it will be less. At the month end, starts increasing. Okay. Then courses, what all you have sold. So ACPFAT is 50% of the sales is almost ACPFAT course. Then diploma in office management and so on and so forth. So this is what we have under two dashboards, counselor dashboard and financial dashboards. Okay. Now I'm just opening my chat. So anyone has got any questions on this, you can put it on your chat. If you have no doubts, say no doubts. So use the chat option to say whatever it is. So I'm just getting all the chats. I don't think so anybody has got any doubts on the dashboard. Okay. So right now there are no doubts on dashboard. Okay, so I just close this. So next we go to another important information. Next step is transaction. Under transaction, we have student information, or I call it as enquiries. So here you will have all the enquiry details of your center. First and foremost thing is you have to understand the filter. So you have filter here. I will say this month. It will show me only this month records. So it shows me only this month. In this case, we have 21 entries. Okay. Page 1, it's showing 10 entries here. Click on page 2. It shows you the next 10 enquiries. Page 3, the last one. So because we have 21, so 10, 10, and 1. Or you can go to the filter here and say 25. In one screen, it will show you 25 enquiries. So it allows you to select number of enquiries to be displayed. Default value will be 10. What is your date range you want to see for this month? And this will be the search. And here you have on your table, you have a heading. These headings are also clickable. Click on lead source. It will filter and give you according to the lead source. So let's say in this case, I've just said 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are from friends and relatives. Just dial are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 just dials, 3 walk-ins. You can also filter here. So I'll just say walk-in. It will filter and give me only walk-in enquiries. I will just, and now in this case, it says out of 3 walk-ins, 2 have been admitted. So you can understand the counselor at the front desk is very strong. So make sure the people walk into your center. Okay. So let's say just dial. So in Just Dial, I have almost 9 entries. So 9 enquiries have come from Just Dial. Out of 9 in this month, none have been converted yet. So this way you can filter and see whatever you need. Let's say handbills. So only one person has walked in with the help of handbills. Okay. So such filters can be used in your student info to understand to you how many enquiries are coming, from where the enquiries are coming. Now, next we have the course name. Just click on the course name heading. It will filter and give you. So office management have nearly 4 or 5 enquiries. ACPFAT I have 1. Spoken English 1. So here also you can search. I'll say MS Office. All enquiries with respect to MS Office pops up to me. Whether it's Just Dial, whether it's walk-in. I'll say ACPFAT. All enquiries with ACPFAT pops up here. Okay. So you can use course name and filter and see what it is. Okay. All the names will be visible here and how many enquiries you have done. I want to see yesterday what has happened. Click on yesterday. So yesterday there were 16 enquiries done. Out of 16 enquiries, 4 have got admitted and the remaining are not admitted. I want to see today. Today there are no enquiries yet. Okay. I want a custom date. I want to know what has happened on 1st June to 1st June. Select the date, whatever you need, and click on submit. So on 1st of June, I have 5 enquiries. Out of 5, 2 have been admitted, 3 have not been admitted. So such things can be done using the option records per page, date range. You can filter it. You can click on the headings of your database to sort according to your required information. This is what we have under student information, which allows you to sort. You can also search for a mobile number. Let's say in this case, I want to search for a mobile number. Let's say 9535918798. Click on the refresh button. It allows you to search for that particular mobile number. Or I will just say 8798. All numbers starting with 8798 will be highlighted. Or if I just say in this case 890, all numbers starting with 89 will be highlighted. So you can see here, wherever the number 89 is there, those things will be highlighted. So you can also filter and search according to mobile number wise, according to student name wise. Let's say in this case, I want to search for Sharath. Say Sharath, press enter, it searches for Sharath. So in a particular date range, particular mobile number, you can also search and filter and get into that student information. So student information screen allows you to see what all you have done according to your date range. You can sort according to the course wise, lead wise, or inquiry taken wise, status wise. If I click on status wise, it shows you all admitted first and then non-admitted next. So in alphabetical order, A comes first, N comes next. So it starts. Descending order you want, click on this again. So you can, it sorts in ascending order or descending order. Student name, I want to alphabetical A first, descending order, click on the same name again. You can see a small arrow mark which allows you to say descending order, ascending order. So you're filtering it ascending order or descending order. Whatever order you want, you can filter it. So this is what we have under student information. And of course, you know how to add. Once you click on add, it allows you to add the student name. Whichever has got the star, red star, it is mandatory. Okay. So specify the data here. Okay. And lead source is very, very important. If you don't write the lead source, nothing is going to work in follow-ups. So make sure you select lead source, which is very important. And next is follow-up required? Make sure it is yes. And when you have to follow up the next date. So specify that and then only save it. So if you don't do that, then we will not be able to do much on the follow-ups. Okay. So this is what we have under transaction student information. Use the chat option if you have understood student information. Say yes if you have understood, say no, or if you have any doubts, you can ask in the chat option now. Okay, so almost everybody are saying yes. So there are no doubts. So let's say I go according to the center wise, let's say now. Now, anybody from SR Nagar? Just say yes. SR Nagar on the chat option. Don't unmute your mic. Use only the chat window. So I don't see anybody from, okay, SR Nagar, they're there. Anybody from Domload? Say yes if you are from Domload Center. Okay. Elchanali, anybody from Elchanali? Say yes if you are from Elchanali. Okay. Anybody from Kormangla? Say yes if you're from Kormangla. Elchanali, 3 people. Okay, Kormangla. So nobody is from Kormangla Center. Okay. Anybody from Malleshwaram Center? Okay. Anybody from Utrali Center? Okay. Anybody from Vijayanagar Center? Okay. Chanasandra Center? Okay. Kamanali Center, anybody from Kamanali? Okay. Kotnur? Meera is already there, I think, yeah. Okay. Then anybody from Nagarbavi Center? Okay. So next we'll go to a very important one, which will be follow-ups. So follow-ups are very, very important and very crucial. Without follow-up, nothing is going to work. And how you managed follow-ups till now, I'm least bothered. So if you use Zenox for your follow-ups, it will be very, very beneficial and very, very helpful. And it allows you to understand before you talk to anybody if follow-ups are maintained in a proper manner. Okay? So before I start a follow, I'm just stopping this here. I'm just giving you 5 minutes break. Have a break, and then we will start up again at sharp at 11 o'clock and understand what is follow-up, because follow-up is very important. Meanwhile, I'll catch up the other centers who are not present. I'll try to bring them up. Okay. So we will again start at 11 o'clock with follow-ups. Thank you.